Citron tea, made from the Buddha's hand fruit, offers several health benefits. It's rich in antioxidants, potentially boosting the immune system and aiding digestion. Its anti-inflammatory properties may help reduce the risk of chronic diseases. Citron tea can also improve skin health due to its vitamin C content, and its calming aroma may reduce stress and anxiety. Additionally, it may support heart health and have antibacterial and antifungal properties. While more research is needed, citron tea is a delicious and potentially healthy beverage.